Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to totally clear your memory cache in Windows 10. So this is actually a very good thing to do if your computer's starting to slow down and you want to speed it up. So if you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, what we're going to do is come to our PC. So we want to come down to the search bar down at the bottom here, and all we want to do is just type PC and open up the PC app. So once this has opened up, what you need to do is come down to devices and drives, and you want to right click on your local disk. So it's normally your C drive, this one here. So if you give that a right click and then you want to click onto properties. And then from here, what we're going to do is just go and click down here where it says disk cleanup. So what this is going to do is actually, as I say, it's going to clear the memory cache. It just takes a moment just to calculate everything. And you can see it's brought up everything that's on here that doesn't really need to be. So all you need to do is go through and tick these boxes, just like so. Anything you don't want to get rid of, obviously you can leave unticked, that's not a problem. It's like, if you look, my internet temporary files, or not just internet, but just basically my temporary files at the moment are taking up 8.79 gig. Which is a lot of space being taken up. You can actually see here it says you can free up to 25 gigabyte of disk space, which is a big amount. So all I want to do is, once I've chosen the ones I want, I just want to go and click onto OK down here. And then I want to click this one which says to delete the files. And that's just going to take a minute or two to go through and delete everything. And that's now been done. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.